Objective. Import the car seat file into Rhino. Open Rhino. On the splash screen, go to the New tab and select one of the templates that match the desired units. Go to File, then select Import. Navigate to and select carseat.3dm, then click Open. Right-click on the Zoom Extents button. Now the headrest should be visible in all 4 viewports. Open the Object Properties panel. With the car seat selected, and locate Display Color. Change the display color to By Layer. Key Result. The car seat model appears in the Rhino viewport as a single poly surface object.